Yeah, honestly, I think that's good enough. Okay, it wasn't supposed to be a video today, but you know what? I'm feeling a bit inspired. Antonia's gone all the way to Wellington. She's got a makeup shoot. And I have a lot of editing to do. Okay. You're just seeing the most raw, unfiltered version of how I prepare my meals. I think it's going to be a lot easier for you guys to follow. It's going to be a lot less intimidating because I don't even think about it, which means you guys don't need to think about it, you just need to follow. It's a burger inspired by the KFC Snack Burger by using 100% real chicken. Chicken breast, 800 grams. Have a look at that. Fat ass chicken breast. And you see that grill? Yeah, I'm not rinsing my chicken. I don't know, people love to talk about washing their meat. They're washing the wrong types of meat. Pretty much what I'm doing is I'm just removing the tenderloin, and then you got the main breast right here, and then open it up like a book. You got your knife, tilt it like that, go one way, flip it, go the other way. A crosshatch pattern right there. What's the time? It's 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock in the morning, and I was actually going to have some cheesecake. That already is 3 patties, which is pretty good value, I'm not gonna lie. Everything's so expensive, eh? Oh! As rough as guts. As rough as guts. I don't want to be spending 70 bucks on me and Antonia for some like real mid food. Heaps of people always ask me, when you opening a restaurant, bro? When you opening a restaurant? And it's like, bro, if I open the restaurant, I would already be bankrupt. I'll be beyond bankrupt. I'll be in so much debt. I don't want this video to be like a sad ass video or whatever. Or like, oh yeah, oh so much stress, financial, politics. Nah. You make this, I'm not gonna say all your problems are gonna be fixed, but it's gonna be a lot better. Right here, 6 chicken snack burgers. If you're hungry as, have 2. With some fries, you're away. This is what's gonna happen. Chicken breast, it's a lean meat, so we need to add some fat. I like using some olive oil. And we're only gonna be using 1 spoon to measure all ingredients. Half a tablespoon of smoked paprika, some chicken stock powder, heaped tablespoon. It's gonna be an extra chickeny. Garlic powder, thyme, maybe like a full tablespoon. Salt and pepper, 1 whole lemon. And we're gonna be grilling these, we're not gonna be frying them. We're looking for sunset vibes. Now we just wrap this up, chuck it in the fridge, and then whenever you're ready for your burgers, chuck them on the grill. But I'll probably catch you guys back, what's today, Friday? 11:30, 12:30. I'll probably catch you guys in like 3 hours when I cook this up. Hello everybody, I'm back at pushing 3 p.m. the next day. So we've done a little bit of time traveling. And that's just because I went to the golf course, played 9 holes, done a bit of chipping practice, you know, got to work on your short game. But I've got my buns, I'm looking to do my prep. I've got my fries. I mean, if you deep fry them, that's probably the tastiest way to have them. It's just a little bit better calorie wise. And then I just squirt a little bit of olive oil on there. Give that the generic air fry toss. I use about 3/4 of a bag. I had these chicken burgers yesterday. I only came home yesterday 7:30. And you already know I had some of these chicken burgers waiting for me. This is, I will swear to you guys, within the last week, 7 days, had at least 9-10 of these burgers. They're so easy to eat. I grill up the chicken, I can make them in bulk. Don't need to worry about it. Antonia cooks them up yesterday. She knows how to use the barbecue. And I got it to do half the chicken. So I have half the chicken to show you guys how to cook this up. And the ultimate hack to make the bun, just like how they have it at KFC, and we can do it at home. Might as well show you guys this. If you've seen, I love everything mushroom related, and a mushroom company reached out and they sent me a PR box. First up we got some pink oyster mushrooms. The camera does a pretty good job, but in real life they're even more beautiful than this. The color is so vibrant. I think these could be enoki mushrooms. Nice clusters, spongy. Random assorted ones. They're random to me, I don't know their name. That's a lion's mane mushroom. Some flatheads, wide gills, beautiful. And then I've got a mushroom grow kit as well. And I just want to give a big shout out to Remarkable Fungi. I'll check their ad, check them out on Instagram, check their website out. And man, like, fuck, I just love, this is why I love what I do. Because I get to interact with not only you guys watching the videos, but also brands and the people behind the brands that really give life to what these different types of companies are trying to communicate in their products. Like, here we go, oyster mushroom jerky. This is smoky original flavor, wild thyme and honey, and spicy horopito. Horopito is like a New Zealand endemic berry, and it's like peppery spicy. I don't know, that's my air fryer. Antonia comes home from work a bit later, so I'm just half cooking her fries. So when she comes home, she just needs to chuck it in just for a little bit longer. Okay, let's get the chicken on the grill. Bro, the weather just turned, eh? The wind's doing exactly this, coming directly under the shelter, so we're gonna get hit with the water. 4 minutes is all we need. Oh, look at that. I can see my breath. It's cold as. Chicken goes on the grill. Okay, close. Hey Siri, timer 2 minutes. 2 minutes is up. Shut that on. Flip them, flip them, flip them. Little baby piece. Right there, another 2 minutes. Okay, I've got some burger cheese here. I'm chucking them only on my pieces. Everything's almost ready to eat. Now this is the best hack for the best buns. Okay, pot a little bit of water. Colander, you see that steam? KFC uses steam buns, so they have a whole tens of thousands of dollar machine to get them to the perfect steamage. However, you just do a little bit of that. Just chuck them in. Char plate up top. 2 minutes. If anything, if that's 2 minutes. You can increase the steam if you want. I'm sitting at maybe like a 2.5 out of 10. Easy, delicious, and they don't cost $6.50 for one. Oh, have a look at this. This is money. See, gooey, ooey gooey cheese. That one will get even more cheese when Antonio's ready. Take them off. Take them off. Take them off. Just like that. Just leave that to harden up under heat. How can we complain? The weather turned around. Hold on. Chicken buns. That steamage. Whoa, soft like a titty. Beautiful. Wow. But burgers and fries, I absolutely hate cold. They need to be like as hot as the sun. We got something crispy like that. You get your salt and then go to town. Give that a shake. Plates. And dump. Look, 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 look. I hope you can see that steam. Can you see that? You see how soft that is? Store-bought buns. QP mayo. I like a decent amount. Spread. If you like any spiciness, some Tabasco will be alright. Some sweet chili if you like that. Honestly, condiments, I'll leave that up. Whatever's your poison. Have to go with the lettuce. And let it go super generous. We're gonna make it, I mean, it's really healthy. I don't know, I don't even need to say, oh, we're gonna make it healthy. No, it's really healthy. This one I'm pretty sure is the tenderloin. So I've got a little chicken tender burger, as well as a full 100% New Zealand chicken breast. Lid goes on. Lid goes on. Jeez, look how soft and titty that burger is. Look at that. Easy as 100% New Zealand chicken breast snack burger. And this bite is for each and every single one of you guys supporting. Oh, I'm so ready. You can't even make a script about how truly delicious these burgers are, and they're a real healthy alternative, as well as they're cheap. At a party, birthdays, gatherings, or just a quick ass dinner, even a lunch, you're away. Give me a like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Please share me around. We're gonna grow a lot within the next, I don't know how long, September, October, November. In the next 4 months until 2024, 2025, I'm gonna be pushing.
So I need your support. Thank you. Catch you again. If you ever make it, send me a message, flick me a picture. Always love to see them. I'll catch you on the next one.